This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mcintyre. Great location with a big floor plan. Walk into open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, new flooring, breakfast bar west/2 bar stools, open kitchen, separate dining and den with laundry closet. 2 large bedrooms on main level west/walk-in closets and 2 full baths. Upstairs loft 3rd bedroom west/bookcases and additional storage. Roof replaced in 2021, outside 2 decks for entertaining, neighborhood is 1 street, oversized 1-car garage. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mcintyre at 865-693-1111.